The second video of my internet installation is the lineman. This is my crazy son. You see, it's very hard for the lineman to fix a new internet. Ano? Naku, tingnan mo't baka kailangan ng tulong daw ng ano.
Dalawa pa ako. Ayan, ayun. Ginawa mo na pa ako na yan.
Okay. Yeah. That's the lineman. Get the wire to connect inside the house. Saan ba isusuot ang kable niyan? The lineman asked my son where to put the cable.
Bukas naman pa ako. Kaya ko matagpagin.
Okay. Let's go now. Thanks. I get something to drink. The lineman. Yeah. Batoy, wag kang umakyat dyan. There's another video. They are the internet lineman. Okay. They start to make a box for the internet. Yeah. Okay. Okay. In a few hours, I have a new internet. Okay. Yeah.
Yung pondo. Minsan yung padalawang beses lang itong trouble ito eh. Ang
Ay.
kumpas bagong gawa, isang buwan. Pag hindi pa namin hinanting yung troubleshooter. Yun, ngayon, binuhong sa puno. Buti na naman ang patatlong linggo na yata. Padalawang linggo na. Saka,
We have internet and cable.
Hindi katulad
It's
ng
2 in 1.
comfort. Hindi mo malaman kung talaga kung kanino magre-report.
Okay.
May dumating ng